Good afternoon, fam. So I'm just making this video because I don't know, like I don't feel like I'm good with those like cooking videos, but I'm making shrimp egg foo young, and I want y'all to kind of get into this because this is another dinner idea. And what I like to do is make copycat dinners. Like if I can order some shrimp egg foo young or cheesesteak, I want to be able to have that same quality and taste inside of my home. Okay, so let's get into this. So here is the egg foo young. And what I recommend, because this is my first time making it, is that you get shrimp that's already made. I had went to Giants. It got those shrimp that was already made. So I only got to really focus on the quality of my egg foo young. The shrimp is already made. So this is my shrimp mixture. This is about like 8 eggs. It got some green onions in it, some white onions in it. I don't really like those bean sprouts, but I don't like that. So I don't get it in mine. I didn't put it in here. This eggs. And I probably just leave like all of the ingredients there for you guys. Here go my egg foo young wok. This is not even a real wok, but we gonna use that as a wok. And then here go my gravy right here. So the gravy is a little bit of brown gravy that I had already mixed up. That I had got from like Aldi's. It was like a half a can of gravy. So I started it off with that because the recipe starts you off with like chicken bouillon or beef bouillon. I didn't have beef, so that was like the closest thing to beef stock. I put some water in it, of course. I put some hoisin, some fish sauce. They want you to use oyster sauce, but I had fish sauce. I put sugar in it, some garlic paste, what else? Ginger paste, soy sauce. Like I leave all that stuff there, but the gravy is good. It's in a cornstarch slurry. So now, like cooking Chinese food kind of answered a lot of questions. Because I used to be like, why is it jelly? Why is that gravy like jelly? I never, because like if it's not mixed a certain way, you can see the cornstarch slurry in it. And I'm like, this is not like the gravy we make at home. So a lot of stuff, I feel like the cornstarch kind of changed the texture of that food, like with the steak and stuff. And I'd be like, what kind of steak is this? It's because they coat it in cornstarch, a lot of that stuff. So I'm just waiting for this grease to get hot. I cut my gravy off because I'm probably not going to eat all of this egg foo young. I was watching videos and educating myself about it, doing some research on the egg foo young, and they was like you can parboil some of these, cook or something, and freeze them. But I feel like that's when you know you a pro at making them little patty woks, the patty thing. I don't have a wok. I mean like a ladle. So that's the thing. I wish I could just go back in time because I could see a ladle in my mind from my grandmother's house and just use that ladle. I wish. I don't have any ladle. So what I'm going to do, the closest thing to a ladle, I would think, it would be like a measuring cup. I have a freaking cup measuring cup. I'm just going to use this cup measuring cup and do it like that. Working with limited space, but here's how my first patty came out on a rack. Okay, here's how it looks when it's frying. For me, you see how like the shrimp sticking out at the top? I poured more egg on top of it. I just feel like the best way to do this is the way that the guy Mr. T, I think his name was Mr. T, in one of the videos when you're looking up egg foo young, he teaching his daughter how to make the patties. But he got like a little ladle, a metal ladle. You put the egg mixture into the ladle and then put the ladle in the oil. Let the ladle get hot so that the patty can form, and then you release it. I just think that is a better way because this way is like the eggs just, they do what they want to do. I don't want my food doing what it wants to do. I want my food to do what I tell it to do. what I need it to do. It's about my requirement. So let's take a look at this egg. Oh, I thought I set the thing down. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even want to cook this right now. I don't. To have this just, I don't know. I'm about to. Yo, I cannot make a cooking thing for nothing. Maybe when I get my little first stand up ring light or something, it'll get better. But yo, it's just not giving. But anyway, let me show y'all my egg foo young. So here go the youngs. Here go the little youngs, y'all. Look at the youngs, y'all. Now this was look how big this was, a cup of egg foo young. And then this was a third of egg foo young. It's still big. So I wanna, like, the average person would put both of these on their plate. I'm second guessing it. Then you come over here. Here go the rice. I just had to dry my rice out a little bit because I rinsed it off and everything. I know Uncle T would not approve. That's why I listen to my ancestors, because they still whisper to me. And I think even though I rinsed this rice out and stuff, it's still going to be like the perfect texture. I mean, not they listen to me, but they still tell me stuff. Alright, so I'm going to get some rice. Even though it's separated, like, this rice should really be together. But y'all can see, like, this is good quality rice. I think just because I'm going to put one patty on, just in case, like, my mother come through or something like that and be like, ooh, give me some egg foo young. Then I got some. So I'm going to take this big old patty and put it up on it. And put it up on there. Then I'ma take my gravy. Ooh, it's hot. Hold up, y'all. Now I'ma pour it up on there. And y'all see how Chinese it look? It look just like the Chinese gravy. Hold up. I'm so happy because this looks just like the store kind. Only difference is that the green onions, I put all of my green onions inside of the patty. All right, so let's taste this. Let's taste it. Yeah, you can see the green onion as soon as I open it up. It's tasting like it. Yo, why is it tasting like I went and got me some egg foo young? Here come my dude. She heard me say some tasting like it. Here she come. Shrimp egg foo young at home, y'all. Y'all see the green onion? Can you? Yeah, that little green piece. But it's all up in here. Shrimp egg foo young at home. And I got a lot of shrimp. Yes, 10 out of 10, y'all. Go ahead and make it. And save your money.